So you're thinking of making a move to Winnipeg, Manitoba, and North Kildonan maybe has got your attention. This is really cool because I just had a possession day there, and this neighborhood is amazing. Hey, my name is Joe Fries, and me and my team, we love helping people just like you make a smooth move to Winnipeg and the surrounding suburbs. So if you're thinking of making a move, make sure you hit us up. Our contact information is in the description below. So whether you're thinking of making a move in 9 days or 9 months, we're here to help you out. It's never too late to get, or too early to get started and get the search going. Hey, so like I said, we're gonna jump into a little bit of what North Kildonan has to offer. We're going to jump into a little bit on the map, kind of show you where it is in Winnipeg, and it is really cool. So I just recently helped this amazing family, young family with them and their daughter, just moved to North Kildonan, and I have to say it is one of those really cool neighborhoods where you're just like, it's just really sweet to see, right? It's just sweet to see somebody move into this neighborhood. And not only that, I mean, we're also in fall time, so it wasn't quite the dramatic beautifulness that I would love to have shown you, but you just got these massive, I think, oak trees, like just when you're driving down the street, you're just driving down and the oaks are just hanging over, and oh my, you know those movies that you watch sometimes, you know, Disney movies often, they got these massive trees going down the street there, and oh my word, does it look gorgeous, right? Maybe getting a little too passionate about this, but hey, you know what? It is just such a cool area and such a really nice area. And if you're looking for somewhere that's super family friendly and also has a good mixture between, you know, maybe somebody that's looking to retire or a growing family or whatever it might be, North Kildonan might actually be for you. And it's actually kind of crazy. All right, so a quick overview about North Kildonan, and really let's just talk about Kildonan in general, but we're gonna specifically talk about North Kildonan, which is northeast of Winnipeg, bordering the Red River. It's a known community for being safe, established, clean, and very community oriented. So we're just gonna jump into the map tour, or the map here a little bit, and kind of show you where it is. So as you can just see right here, we have here, this here is the perimeter, and then along here we have 52, and then Chief Pegwas Trail, and then North Kildonan would be right around here. You can see East Kildonan is here and all that fun stuff. But as we zoom in, you can just see that North Kildonan is right here. And even just when you just see these streets, it's just so fantastic just to watch. So as I was saying, it's bordered by the Red River right here, and it's just such a fantastic area to be living in. So just a really cool, very unique area to be living in, part of the city, and also just extremely safe. And it just, when you go there, it's you will see people walking down the street, walking their dogs, just going for a walk, and it's such a cool area to be, and definitely an area where if you have a growing family, this might be an area where you're definitely going to want to jump into. So lots of small businesses also available in this area. You're gonna find places like massage therapists, small restaurants. You got amazing schools in the area. You have it's just such a really nice area just in general as it is. So it's just really cool and a really family friendly, family oriented place. There's going to be a ton of homes that are going to be they have quite a few split levels, maybe not as much as bungalows. You got quite a few bungalows, you know, with some might be a little bit raised bungalows, but most have that, I don't know, I'm a little bit guessing here. I think 1970s-ish charm. It is just gorgeous to look at these homes, 1970s, 1980s. They kept the exterior charm, and a lot of these homes on the inside have just been flipped, and they are just gorgeous modern homes, and they look beautiful. Like when I say beautiful, I mean it's just something to kind of gawk over, and it's just really cool to be part of an area like this. So definitely an area that you might want to take into consideration when you're thinking of making a move to Winnipeg, Manitoba. Kildonan has a lots to offer, and you can even just see here, like Kildonan itself is quite a vast variety of an area here on the map, and everything from golf to Manitoba insurance to getting yourself a nice sub at a sub place. Just so many really cool freaking options that I think you actually would get excited about living in an area like this. Bragging on Winnipeg here just a little bit again. The green spaces, they did such an amazing job, and for a father of two to be able to go and just take a walk to to a green space and just let your kids have a little bit of fun, this is fantastic. I just love these green spaces that actually Winnipeg as a whole did a very, very, very good job at. So just kind of gives you a bit of an idea of where North Kildonan is, and it is just spectacular. So when it comes down to homes, most homes are single family homes. You got some townhouses, some condos, which is also it's a nice variety of things. You can have tons and tons of mature trees, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, where you have the towering trees and everything. So that's really cool. And it always just gives you that really nice homey vibe. And as like I was telling you before, when we were giving possession to this beautiful family with their home, the yard was spectacular. Like you had a beautiful yard. You had a nice big yard, and it was always really cool to just watch how these families just get so fired up about these yards. Like they're fantastic yards, and they're big, they're beautiful, and just awesome. Also, this might blow you away. North Kildonan is affordable compared to South Winnipeg and new developments. You're gonna find a lot more homes in that 400, 420, 430 mark. This is much more of a common price point for homes in this area. Like in this case, it was a beautiful bungalow, same idea, with a single attached garage, with a beautiful fenced in yard. So you definitely get a lot more home than you would get in South Winnipeg for a lot of these areas. So just very, very cool. This is great for families looking to upsize and for first-time home buyers just looking for stability. Again, of course, tons of parks. Let's just mention 3 parks. Let's talk about Kilcona Park. We got a dog park there. They have a bit of a lake, disc golf, and massive trails. So that's really cool. Very cool area to be. And then we got Buns Creek Trail, which is B-U-N-N-S, just in case you were thinking I said bums. But this is one of the nicest walking paths in Winnipeg. So definitely something to check out, even if you're not looking to move here. So of course you got a lot of riverbank areas where you're gonna see a bunch of benches and picnic spots, and a very cool area to hang out like that and just to chill with the family. So, and the location and the convenience of North Kildonan. So you have easy access to Chief Peguis Trail, which gives you a easy, fast cross-city driving. You're close to Henderson, quick to food, 20 to 25 minutes from downtown, and your quick drive to Birds Hill. So if you're looking to camp, this is it. Quick area to Birds Hill, cycling, swimming, and I might add Birds Hill, amazing trails, amazing. And of course we have the amenities. I mean, there's Safeway, there's Freshco, there's Superstore, all the big brand names that you need. There's quick, easy access to all of these things. Kildonan Place Mall is just minutes away. And then of course you got schools, tons and tons of good schools in that area. We're not actually going to jump into that a whole lot about the schools, but got a lot of amazing options for schools as a whole. And just, it's a really, really nice area. So a quick rundown of Kildonan. My personal rundown is it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's super family oriented. And this just might be a great area for you and your family to just come and unpack, unwind, and just get to know people around you. Like, it's super diverse. You got a lot of good people. You got a lot of young families. You got a lot of retirement people. You're not going to have a whole lot of rentals in this area. There's not going to be a bunch of people that are renting there, especially not the homes, just because it's kind of hard to have homes like that are renting out at a decent price and all that fun stuff. So needless to say, is Kildonan for you. North Kildonan is beautiful. It's amazing. Kildonan as a whole is amazing. It's gorgeous and has so much to offer. And I know I didn't even get into the half of it. And I know some of you Kildonians out there are going to be like, Joe, you missed this, you missed that. You know what? Drop it in the comments. I would love to hear what I missed, and let me know what I should check out if you have any local gems to check out. But I just as a reminder, I am Joe Friesen, and me and my team, we love helping people just like you make a smooth move to Winnipeg, Manitoba, and the surrounding suburbs. And so if you're looking to make a move, whether that's 9 days or 9 months, you make sure you hit us up. All our contact information is in the description below, and we would love to hear from you. And you might know somebody this video might be helpful for. Why don't you send it to them and let them know, hey, my friend Joe has some things to tell you about Kildonan. And if you found it useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that little bell, so it goes ding every time I post a new video. Anyway, for now, peace out. Winnipeg, love you.